been received for quite a long time. I think it's already for more than 2 months. So it was during the longest holiday in Indonesia. I basically received for free, so that's the reason why I basically not really care about unboxing it immediately. Besides it turns out it's also not an electronic device, so basically it doesn't really matter whether it's actually unboxed or not, because it will not be broken or not need to be tested, because it's just some sort of like parfum. Sorry. So I'm also not trying to combine the unboxing video from the very previous package that I recently received, because it's not a portrait orientation video that I just normally like basically try to it, so that's the reason why I try to separate it instead, in order to have a separate episode maybe in the future that I will try to come back uploading more video into my main channel instead of I try to focus on the native language podcast. So and my iPhone battery is also already on 80%, so sadly I can go above 80%, so definitely will, if once I already try to recharge my iPhone, it will turn off the low power battery mode, which is pretty annoying. So that's the reason why I'm trying to charge my iPhone over and over again, or even the battery below 80%, which I'm just not sure whether it's actually the best thing to do, because for some reason this iPhone is already more than 3 years old and the battery health is currently in 80%, if I'm not mistaken, but this is still much better than the 80% battery health that I use for the older iPhone. That's obviously an older iPhone, which is the iPhone 6s Plus, and it's already drained significantly even against the iPhone, so that's really ridiculous. So that's the reason why I also need to charge those iPhone over and over again in order to prevent draining the battery. Even though I'm not sure whether it's actually make the battery have a better condition or not, because for some reason, even if I try to change the battery, just like when I tried to change my old iPhone before this iPhone 11, is actually not going to be that successful, because I tried to change it on my own, and the battery that I tried to buy is also not that original, so that's the reason why it's basically not produce a good battery life cycle. I'm not sure. So it's already 79%. So yeah, because this video is pretty long, it's longer than recently created or recently recorded and received package from my favorite e-commerce and the overseas. So yeah, it's actually 2 times more than 2 times longer. So it's around almost 5 minutes, I guess. 5 minutes, sure. So basically you cannot really see the package, so it's okay. It's not really matters as well. It's just a bunch of perfume or scents that basically produce a good smell, but I don't really like a very strong smell, so that's the reason why I never really wear perfume unless it's really good, or it's like, I don't know, it's like manly smell. I don't really like